Hello friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar, and today what are we not going to get right is we are not going to stop competing, and we are not going to stop competing with whom? We are not going to stop competing with ourselves. We will never be competing with others. We will be pledging today with ourselves that our competition is only going to be one person, and that is the person who we see in the mirror. That person is the one who we see in the mirror. Do you understand this point? Do you understand the idea behind this point? We always have to compete. We have to keep competing, but we have to always compete with ourselves. Because if we do not compete with ourselves, we end up competing with others. And when we compete with others, we try to become like them. We try to be better than them. We try to be better than what they are doing, the way they are doing things. And when we try to copy them, or when we try to win over them, we try to use what they have done, we try to use their techniques, tools, which will end up with you not being you. You will become something else through the competition, and that will be the biggest loss that you could have ever thought for yourself. If you or your business does not end to be you, does not end to be who you are, then it is not your business, then it is not who you are. If you replicate your competitor's model, if you start doing what your competitor is doing, that means you are no longer in the competition. That means you are no longer in the competition, because your competitor is always gonna win, because he is not copying you. He is leading. He is leading ahead of you. And if you are following him, how can you lead him? To lead him, you have to become a trendsetter and not a trend follower. You have to become a trend setter, and to become a trend setter, what you need to do is you need to start competing with yourself. And when you start competing with yourself, you try to do new things every day in a better way than what you did yesterday. And when you do that, you are creative. You are so creative that you build up new things every day. New things that the industry has not seen, new things that the world has not seen, new ways of doing the same thing that the world has not seen before. And when you keep doing that, you end up becoming the trendsetter. You end up owning the industry and not just competing the industry. You end up dominating and not just competing. So what you need to start doing is you need to figure out how you can dominate. And to dominate your competitors, you need to compete with yourself first and last. Nobody else. You have to compete always with yourselves. This will keep making you better than what you were yesterday, better than how you were yesterday, better than how you were in the last quarter, better than how you were in the last year. So if you compete with yourself, you keep upskilling yourself, you keep upgrading yourself, you keep improving yourself, because you always want to be a better version of yourself. And you can never be the best version of yourself, so you can always be the better version of yourself. So keep competing with yourself and keep winning with yourself, and this will give you the kind of confidence, this will give you the kind of motivation that you need to dominate. This is the thing that is needed if you are to dominate the market, if you are to dominate and not compete. It is who dominate are actually successful. Competitors always fail. Competitors always fail. It is who dominates takes away the money. It is the domination. It is who dominates takes away the fun. It is who dominates takes away the cream. It is who dominates takes the premium and still dominates, and whatever is left after he has taken everything is left for the competitors. And that is where these competitors fight among themselves, because the guy who dominated took away most of the things. Now the competitors are fighting among themselves to offer cheap price, offer low cost, offer discount, and so many things that they fight among themselves and they kill themselves. It is who dominates succeeds. It is who dominates wins the market. So you need to start competing with yourself. You need to start competing with yourself to dominate the market. So wish you all the best for your dominance, wish you all the best for your competition, and wish you that you always end up becoming the winner when the competition is you yourself. Wish you all the very best. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.